How's it going, guys? Lock Picking Coal Miner here. Stock Lock Sunday. I figured I'd try to pick this Brinks Pro Series. Here's the bidding on the key. I just want to try to use the Peterson short hook and just a regular windshield wiper insert. I bent top of the keyway. I believe it's like a 60mm shackle, 40mm body. So let's see, 4, 3, nothing on 2, 1, let's go back to 4. It's got 4 pins in it. It says pick resistance. Most of the times Brinks got spools in them, so I can't feel none yet, so I actually can't feel nothing. But four, 3, got a little turn on the core. Let's go back to 4, 4, a little slight core turn, 3, 1, 3, nothing. 3, 2, 2 feels set, 4, 3, 3 again, got it open. So that's the Brinks ProMax security. I guess you can buy them anywhere. It ain't too bad of a lot. It's got a long shackle. There's the keyway, uses the M1 key blank. There's the pick. I thank y'all for watching. Everybody be safe.